Unless you don't want to go outdoors.
Is the follow-up story.
See, I told you, nature's dangerous. People underestimate the moose. I don't know if you knew that. They underestimate the moose.
Moose.
All moose are underestimated. They're enormous. They are protective, and they have a giant rack on their heads. This moose apparently attacked an Iditarod sled team and injured 4 dogs. Now, I don't know. I mean, the moose may have been protecting something or someone, or it could have just been irritated that this really loud group of dogs was coming through. A large bull moose spent more than an hour stomping on the sled dog team of a rookie Iditarod musher in the wilds of Alaska last week. And the attack didn't end even after Bridget Watkins emptied her gun into the animal.
Whoa.
A moose, man. What kind of caliber you got?
Yeah, that's so true.
I mean, that's a husky, right? Or a wolf?
A husky.
Look at the size of this moose.
I'm telling you.
They're so top heavy too.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's just a shocking scale to a moose that you just think, oh, it's like a deer. It ain't no deer, man. It's a whole different thing.
It's a humongous animal.
And what's weird is the dogs are all tied up because they're
They probably
attached to the sled. They can't really escape it.
And she can't get close to that.
And
No way you get close.
Are you going to get close after you emptied your entire gun into it and it's still standing there? And it's like, it basically felt like it got bit by a fly or something. Oh, man. So this was a training run. And the dog, this took over an hour. This isn't what I was planning for, but these dogs and myself have trained for so long and so hard for this race. When I walk back out to my dog yard and I have 12 perfectly healthy dogs out of the 16 and they look at me and all they want to do is run, how can I tell them no? She told the Associated Press on Tuesday. That would be selfish of me. These are freaking amazing athletes that just survived probably the most traumatic experience of any dog team ever in history. Well, I don't know how she knows that, but it's definitely very traumatic. They're survivors, and they're still pushing through, said the attack, first reported by the Fairbanks Daily News Miner, happened while she was on a 52-mile training run for the nearly 1,000-mile Iditarod Trail sled dog race starting March 5th in Anchorage. As he charged me, I emptied my gun into him, and he never stopped. I ran for my life and prayed. I was fast enough to not be killed in the moment. He trampled the team and then turned for us. Oh. What are you doing, Will? He's stomping on Otis. What are you doing?
I'm going to grab my Bronco. I'm going to run him over.
I have never felt so helpless in my life. He would not leave us alone. He stood over top of the team, refusing to retreat. She called friends, and the moose was shot and killed after one arrived with a rifle. I think if you're doing, I mean, from now on, she's going to have a rifle on her back.
Yeah.
Because I guess she had a handgun, and it was nothing to the moose. Like you're not gonna disturb it. Apparently,
in the moment, I'm sure.
Yeah, I mean, she used her axe and a parka to fight off the moose, but it killed 2 of her dogs and injured 13 others.
Oh, brutal.
Crazy. Imagine what a scene. What a scene. Wait a sec. Are there 2 different stories here? Are we into another story now? Wait. No, scroll down a little bit. Nope, too much, Will. Too much.
Is this...
Stop right here. Another famous tale of a musher's run-in with an angry moose in 1985. It's the second time it's happened. In that case, 2 dogs were killed and 13 injured. I don't think actually any of this most recent cases dogs were killed, just injured. So I just want to make sure I got that right.
Yeah, I kept scrolling.
You were scrolling like a maniac over there. You were running. It was like you were running away from a moose or something.
Yeah.